Hi, this is Steve Dykes, and I want to show you how to use the clipping mask to make an exact blow-up detail in Google Layout. What we're talking about is just what you're seeing right here on the screen. We have an end elevation of a cabinet island, and we wanted to magnify the area that includes the corbel or the bracket. And so we've done just that. This circle and everything in the circle has been exactly magnified 4 times, and you can see that right here. Well, how can you do that, and how can you do it precisely? Let's get rid of the magnified detail and start at the beginning. So you'll take your base drawing, and you want to select it, and you want to go over to the right and check under the tab Sketchup Model. See what your scale is. We like 1/2 inch equals 1 foot, so make sure the scale is correct that you're starting with, and then make sure that Preserve Scale on Resize is not selected. This is very important. Do not select, or if you need to, deselect Preserve Scale on Resize. Now you're ready to begin. So we simply will grab the circle tool, and we will put a circle around the area that we would like to magnify. You can use any shape. You can move the shape. But once you have it set just where you want it, you're ready to magnify. And the way you do this, you just select the circle, hold down the Shift key, select the rest of the drawing or the cabinet, and use the standard Windows commands for copy and paste. Control C, Control V. It'll make a copy and paste it right over the original. Move that copy off to the side, and while both the circle and the main drawing are selected, go to any one of the corners and hover until you get the diagonal arrow. Hold down the left mouse key and move off in that direction. You'll notice depending on where you move, your circle may become an oval. You want to prevent that? Simply hold down the Shift key. Let go of the right mouse key, let go of the Shift key. Now you have a magnified version of your original drawing. But what is the scale now? If you'll go back to the right, look in the scale window, you can see it's some oddball scale. I want it to be an exact enlargement. In this case, I want to enlarge the original 4 times. I want my 1/2 inch scale drawing to become a 2 inch scale detail. So I'm going to type 4, enter on the keyboard. I have now magnified the original drawing by a factor of 4. Right click on the circle, click Create Clipping Mask, and there you go. There's your detail. The only thing lacking is I need to make sure that under the Shape Style tab, my stroke, which is the border, is selected. And the only thing I'm going to do to complete this is to connect the 2 circles with a line, like so. And that's how you can use the clipping mask to make an exact blow-up detail in Google Layout.